What's up, everyone? It's Mel here. We're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI as the cool kids call it. Now, AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here, and it's changing the game in a big way, especially when it comes to how we make money. Think about it. We've got AI writing articles, composing music, even designing websites. This technology is automating tasks across industries, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for generating income. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for innovative ways to level up your finances, AI has something for you. This isn't about robots taking over the world, but about harnessing their power to create wealth and opportunity. Let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of making money with AI, let's break down what AI actually is. In the simplest terms, it's like giving a computer a brain, teaching it to think and learn like we do. This means AI can analyze massive amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions. Now, how does this translate to making bank? Imagine having an army of virtual assistants working for you 24/7, automating tasks, and finding creative solutions to complex problems. That's the power of AI. From personalized marketing campaigns to predicting stock market trends, AI is revolutionizing how we do business. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to leverage its potential. For all you freelancers and side hustlers out there, AI is your new secret weapon. Imagine churning out high-quality content in a fraction of the time or creating stunning graphics without breaking a sweat. AI tools are changing the freelancing game, and it's time to get in on the action. Let's talk content creation. AI-powered writing assistants like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you craft compelling blog posts, engaging social media captions, and even full-blown ebooks. And hey, if you're more visually inclined, AI design tools like Canva or Designs.ai can help you whip up professional-looking graphics and marketing materials in minutes. The best part is, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easier than ever to market your AI-powered skills to a global audience. So whether you're a writer, designer, or data analyst, AI can amplify your freelance game and boost your income. Now let's crank things up a notch. Ever dreamt of building your own app? With AI, it's more attainable than you might think. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. There are tons of user-friendly platforms like Google's AI platform or Microsoft Azure that provide pre-built AI models and drag-and-drop interfaces. These tools empower you to create AI-powered apps for everything from language translation to personalized fitness coaching. Think about it. You could build an app that helps people learn a new language, create custom workout plans, or even recommend the perfect outfit based on their style and the weather. The possibilities are endless, and so is the earning potential. The world of e-commerce is a goldmine for AI-powered profits. Whether you're running a dropshipping empire or selling handcrafted goods, AI can streamline your operations and boost those sales figures. Imagine having an AI assistant that personalizes product recommendations for each customer, predicts buying trends, and even automates your inventory management. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. Tools like Shopify's AI features or personalized recommendation engines can give your online store a serious competitive edge. By understanding customer behavior and preferences, you can tailor your marketing efforts, optimize pricing, and ultimately drive more conversions. Let's face it, social media is a full-time job. Between crafting engaging content, scheduling posts, and analyzing performance data, it can feel like you're constantly glued to your phone. But what if AI could take some of that workload off your plate? AI-powered social media management tools are a game changer. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can help you schedule posts across multiple platforms, track engagement metrics, and even suggest the best times to post for maximum reach. And for content creation itself, AI is a game changer. Imagine using AI to generate captivating captions, create eye-catching graphics, or even edit short videos. AI tools can help you streamline your social media efforts, freeing up more time to focus on strategy and audience engagement. Writer's block? Creative slump? We've all been there. But what if AI could be your creative partner in crime? AI-powered content creation tools are changing the game, making it easier than ever to generate high-quality content at scale. Imagine feeding your ideas into an AI writing assistant and watching it churn out blog posts, articles, even scripts for your next YouTube video. Tools like GPT-4 can help you overcome writer's block, explore new creative avenues, and produce engaging content that resonates with your audience. But it doesn't stop there. AI image generators like DALL-E can bring your wildest visual concepts to life, creating unique and captivating images that elevate your brand and capture attention. The possibilities are truly limitless. The stock market can feel like a roller coaster ride, full of unpredictable twists and turns. But what if you had an AI co-pilot to help you navigate the volatility? AI-powered trading bots and algorithms are changing the way we invest, making sophisticated trading strategies accessible to everyone. Imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes market trends, identifies potential investment opportunities, and even executes trades on your behalf, all based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. That's the power of AI in finance. Now, it's important to remember that all investments come with risks, and AI is not a magic bullet. But by harnessing the power of AI, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market, make more informed investment decisions, and potentially maximize your returns. They say location is everything in real estate, but in today's market, data is king. AI is transforming the real estate landscape, providing investors and homeowners with powerful insights to make smarter decisions. Imagine having access to AI-powered tools that analyze property values, predict market trends, and even identify hidden investment opportunities. That's the power of AI in real estate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, AI can empower you with the knowledge and insights you need to navigate the complex world of real estate and make informed choices that align with your financial goals. For small business owners, time is money, and every minute counts. AI is a game changer for small businesses, automating tasks, providing valuable insights, and freeing up time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles customer service inquiries, manages your social media presence, and even automates your marketing campaigns. That's the power of AI for small businesses. From personalized marketing recommendations to AI-powered accounting software, there are countless tools available to streamline your operations, enhance customer experiences, and ultimately boost your bottom line. If you're passionate about AI and have a knack for building software, creating and selling AI-powered SaaS, software as a service products, could be your ticket to entrepreneurial success. Imagine developing an AI-powered marketing automation tool, a customer service chatbot, or even a financial analysis platform that businesses line up to use. That's the power of SaaS. With a solid business plan, a user-friendly interface, and a sprinkle of marketing magic, your AI-powered SaaS product could become the next big thing, generating recurring revenue and establishing your presence in the ever-evolving world of AI. Imagine waking up to find your bank account growing even while you sleep. That's the allure of passive income, and AI is making it more attainable than ever before. One popular avenue is developing and launching AI-powered mobile apps. Whether it's a language learning app, a fitness tracker, or a game, a well-designed app can generate passive income through downloads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Another exciting path is leveraging AI for affiliate marketing. By using AI tools to analyze consumer trends and identify high-converting products, you can optimize your affiliate marketing efforts and generate passive income from your recommendations. In the digital age, content is king, and AI is the queen that can help you rule your online domain. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media influencer, AI can take your content creation to the next level. AI writing assistants can help you craft compelling scripts for your videos, generate blog post ideas that resonate with your audience, and even optimize your content for search engines. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. AI tools can analyze your audience data, identify trending topics, and even help you understand the emotional impact of your content, allowing you to create content that truly connects and converts. In today's data-driven world, businesses are swimming in a sea of information, but raw data is just the tip of the iceberg. The real value lies in extracting meaningful insights that can inform strategic decisions and drive growth. That's where AI comes in. AI-powered data analysis tools can sift through massive datasets, identify patterns, and uncover hidden trends that would take human analysts days, if not weeks, to uncover. By offering your AI-powered data analysis services to businesses, you can help them understand their customers, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. The world of AI is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging all the time. Staying ahead of the curve is essential for anyone looking to leverage AI for financial gain. One thing is certain, AI is poised to reshape the job market as we know it. While some jobs may become automated, countless new opportunities will emerge in fields related to AI development, implementation, and management. By embracing lifelong learning, developing in-demand skills, and staying informed about the latest AI trends, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving landscape of the AI-powered future. There's no better way to learn about the potential of AI than from the trailblazers who are shaping the industry. In this chapter, we'll sit down with successful AI entrepreneurs who have leveraged the power of AI to build innovative businesses and achieve financial success. Hear their stories, learn from their mistakes, and gain valuable insights into the challenges and rewards of building an AI-powered empire. From identifying market needs to securing funding and building a winning team, these AI masters will share their wisdom to inspire the next generation of AI innovators. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and equipped with the knowledge you need to embark on your own AI entrepreneurial adventure. So there you have it, a crash course in the world of AI and its potential for unlocking financial freedom. From automating tasks to creating entirely new revenue streams, AI is changing the game, and it's time to get in the game. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill and creativity of the user. Embrace experimentation, never stop learning, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of wealth creation is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, are you ready to unlock your AI potential?